Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Android SDK and Emulator setup in Android. To restore the Android SDK and Emulator setup in Android Studio, start by launching Android Studio on your computer. Navigate to the File menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Select Settings if you are using Windows, or Preferences if you are on a Mac. In the Settings window, look for the Appearance and Behavior section. Expand this section by clicking on it. Then, click on System Settings. From the options that appear, select Android SDK. In the Android SDK tab, you will see the SDK Platforms and SDK Tools tabs. If you notice any missing SDK components, you can select the appropriate checkbox next to them. Then click on the Apply button at the bottom of the window. Next, confirm any prompts that may appear to download the selected SDK packages. Once the download is complete, go to the SDK Tools tab. Here, make sure the necessary tools like the Android Emulator and others are checked. After verifying the selections, click on Apply again. Next, you can close the settings window by clicking the OK button. Next, to restore the emulator setup, navigate to the Tools menu. From the drop-down, select AVD Manager. In the AVD Manager window, you will see a list of your existing virtual devices. If no devices are listed, click on Create Virtual Device. Select the Watch as the emulator starts up, and you will see the Android interface. Now your Android SDK and emulator setup are successfully restored and ready for use. You can now begin developing and testing your applications in Android Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.